Hi, I'm Megan from Talent Quarter. I'm the financial controller.
I'm Kat and I'm an efficiency and transformation leader, which is i.e. operations. Actually identified that some of our divisions are not operationally efficient and effective, and we just needed to sort of make sure that the division is working flawlessly. The division which we're talking about is the casual rostering workforce, and with the current systems which we used to use previously, the rostering implementations were not really working correctly, as well as it was lacking the transition of the data between the rostering, the CRM system or ATS, and the finance portal. So we had multiple issues which we needed to sort out, and we started to look at the whole process as a whole.
Systems we were using was basically an Excel spreadsheet, followed by a different payroll system, and finance was sort of heavily involved in constantly checking the data, making sure that it matched between the two systems, and then going back to clients and employees, and it was just clunky and cumbersome, difficult to work with.
And whether we need to sort of implement 3 different systems, or we can find a system which can accommodate all of it. This way we came to Entire.
Really needed to look at systems to create some sort of efficiency and improvement in the whole process. I believe Entire has done that for us.
It has helped considerably in this transition, because it does have a flow and it helped in creating and implementing processes to have that.
To make special mention of Rob and Poonam from the finance area. They've certainly put a lot of their time and effort in trying to help me understand the system and feel comfortable and use it without them. So next week will be our first test, and they will be with us, which is very exciting.
I loved working with the whole team on the project. Also, I think all of the feedback from our project team was great. Every single person were able to understand each other, pick and find what they needed as a result, and also we were able to listen what the system can do, but also Entire was able to listen and come in front of us with some solutions what we can implement, which is great. I loved working with Dominic and Michelle. We had them last week over here, and it was really great to actually see faces to a screen, in honesty. But everybody was really great to work with, and we never had a problem and any issue with it.
No.
It will give me peace of mind to get rid of the Excel sheets.
Yes. I think that's the most exciting thing for us in finance as well. It's great. We don't need to have to look at Excel sheets anymore. We can look at it all on one screen. Makes a huge difference being able to just look at all the data on one screen, as opposed to checking between various software systems, continuously matching back and forth. So
I'm definitely looking forward to a little bit of flawless process between receiving the order, processing the order, and finalizing the order for the finance system. But also I'm really looking forward to implement other modules which we are looking to implement, like fatigue management, rate calc, and others which are coming. And I'm really looking forward to cooperation with Entire, because they're always happy to listen to clients' requests as we are.
That's been pretty exciting for me too, to be able to sort of mention things and need things, and immediately they're like, okay, yes, what can we do for you? How can we make that work? That's a good idea.